Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this class number 24, we are going to learn what is the use of image component and IMG tag of HTML, how these two are different and how you can use these two on particular situation. And we are going to cover some interview questions also, like how to display image using image component in Next.js, how to display image using IMG tag in Next.js, and how Next.js image component is more optimized as compared to HTML IMG tag. That we are going to understand. For that, we go for the application. This time I have created a new project called new Next app, and this time I created this project under src directory and app. And right now I have such kind of interface, simple one. I have a home, just click and we go to home. Then we have an image that I'm going to create here. I will create on image and we will go to image route. So for creating those routes, what I do, go to app, under the app directory, create the route group. So I say web, simple one. Under this web, I need to create a route. So click on folder, and here I pass the name images like this. Under this images, I have to create page.js or JSX or TS if you want to use TypeScript. You created page.js, then RAFCE, create this component. Now under this component, I have to use image component or IMG tag. For that, I need image also. So I have copy here nature1 and nature2 image in a public directory. You can also copy your images in public directory. So I have created there. Then I say h2. Here I pass image example like this. Under this, I use image component of Next.js. Go to this and use this. You see it import by next/image. So from this, we are using image component. That is inbuilt component in Next.js, and it is more optimized as compared to IMG tag. So where we can use IMG tag or where we can use this, that I am going to explain here. So under this tag, this is self closing tag, we are closing it. Here I need to provide src, and under this src I need to pass the image. Then I have to decide width and height also, but first of all I just go for src. And directly we cannot pass here image path. Remember that these nature1 and nature2 JPG we can't pass here directly. We have to import this in Next.js. For that, I say import and I say nature1, for example, from, and I say dot dot, then app directory. Then again we need to go for public directory. Remember that under the public directory I have a nature1 and I copy nature2 also. So both the images I just import here. Path may be anything, but better to copy your path, your image in a public directory. Now here directly I need to pass nature1 or nature2, whatever you want to specify. Now go to the application and here click on image, and you will see that image is open. So you see image is coming, it's a bigger one. Size of the image is too much. So you see like this, we have an image, and remember that this portion of my application is coming from navigation bar. So I am using Bootstrap for that. How to use navigation, how to create it, how to add your own link here, I have explained in my previous video also. So you can follow those video for that. Now I'm concentrating on image only. So first we have used image. Now we can specify width and height. So I provide here width of this is 400. Then I say height of this is 200. Save this. You see we have reduced height as per the requirement. So here we are using image component of Next.js. We are providing width and height, and we can provide one more thing, that is quality. So quality is by default 75%. If I pass here 100%, then the image size will improve and the quality of image will also improve. So we have provided the 100%. So you see it will have a better quality. But if I say here you can say 50%, so you will see that quality will reduce. Refresh it and the quality will reduce. It will be noticed only in the bigger size of image. Remember that by default quality is 75%. So you can ignore it if you don't want to use quality. This is the use of image component in Next.js. If you want to read more about this, just type here Next.js image and go to this first link, and here we have this. You can provide alternative also like this. Then you have so much of properties: width, height, alteration, loader. Loader means if you have a large image, then you can give the loading illusions that something is loading behind. Then fill, then size. You can pass your size like this also, and you can pass by using width and height also. Then quality by default is 75%, but you can pass from 1 to 100. Priorities, then placeholder, then style if you want to use CSS. So there are so many events and so many properties are there to use with this image, and the how you can use this, everything is given here. You see, you can provide image in any directory and directly you can pass this path like this, and height, width, everything is there. You see, this is there. Loader property means you want to give some illusions of this, so you can provide loader also like this. And you have a fill property, you have a size property. You see, you can provide size like this. Such type of setting you can give, and it will be as per the, you can say, responsive layout. So I can copy this. If you want to give, copy this property and adjust this property as per your requirement. So no need of width and height now. I just put this, save this, and you will see that this is the property which we are providing here. And we go there and output, and you see images, so bigger one, sizes like this, 100 VH, max width 50 VH, 33. So such kind of setting you can do, but here I am passing only the height and width, that is more understandable. Also 400, height is 200, like this. So there are so many properties, so many type of informations are available for image component. As per the requirement, you can use any particular property, and the how to use this, everything is given. You can pass a style also like this. If you want to use a style, border, and like this, we try to give this also. So we can provide here this constant, and we can pass this constant under this style. I say style, and here I pass image style, save this, and we go to the output. You see, like this we can give the formatting, because this radius is 50% and size is 400 and is this 200, and if I say it 400 400, then it will become circle. You see, 400 400, it will become circle. So if I say 200 and 200, then it will look better. You see, just circle type of illusions by using these CSS property. You can do whatever you want. I am just giving example how you can modify your images. Save this like this way. So this is the overall use of image component in Next.js. It's a by default, and optimize also. How it is optimized, I just explain you after the IMG tag. So the question how to display image using image component, I have explained you. Now we go to second question, how to display image using IMG tag. It's a very simple, and which one is more optimized, I will give you the demo also. So here also just copy paste, and in place of this I say IMG. This is HTML tag, IMG tag, same, but here for passing a image we have to give nature2.src. remember, we have to pass here like this, because an image tag you can't pass like this. This is for image component only, but here in src you have to pass the image and the src option, src property, because this is image2. so src you have to pass here. Size, width, height, everything is okay. So I just go to the output, and you see everything is okay, both are equivalent. And if I provide the same image, suppose I give here nature2 also, same type of image, then we see the comparison. You see here and here, you see the output. And if I reduce the size of this, you see, if I reduce the size, then I show you how to. So I try to reduce the size. You see no effect reducing a size, and this is the quality of image right now. You see, now I remove the style from both. In Next.js, image component have so many properties, but in IMG tag we have limited properties. Remember that, because of the HTML tag. Whatever we use in HTML, we have a facility about in HTML about IMG tag. So same property we can use, but we can't use quality or some other information which we have available for IMG. Remember that. So we have a less option, less property in IMG, but for image component we have large amount of properties and setting. I have explained you example here. This is the image component. So you may have any kind of property from there. So many properties and so many options are available for image component, but less in property, less component is available for IMG. That I have explained you. Otherwise in look and feel they are same. Both are looking okay and fine, no problem at all. But there is a difference between these two. What is the difference? That is how Next.js image component is more optimized as compared to HTML image tag. So how it is more optimized? I have explained you that there are large amount of properties available for IMG component, less amount of properties available for IMG tag. Now I put here BR tag for line break purpose only, and you see image is coming here, and I provide one more BR tag. Save this, go here. You see we have output, and I need to increase the size also. So I say 600, and I say here 300, and here also 300. Now I show you what is the difference between these two. I go to the network tab here. Remember, in network tab, and I just remove all the caches, empty cache, and I remove this also. I refresh the page. Remember, see this, and you see that the nature 2 is having a size 1.1. Remember, size is 1.1 MB, and for the image which I am using for image component, remember that I am using for image component, that is here. So I remove the cache from here, and I refresh again. Now you see the comparison between image component IMG tag of HTML, image component of Next.js taking 279 KB of size of image. Actual size of image is 1 MB, more than 1 MB. Actual size is 1.1 MB, but image component is more optimized, and it reducing its size automatically as per the height and width you are providing, and you have 279 KB of size of the image. And remember that both are looking okay and better, no change in the display, but IMG tag image taking less amount of space. But naturally IMG tag is not having any kind of optimization, that's why it's taking 1.1 MB of full size of image. And sometime if you have a large image and you are not optimizing an image, remember that it take lot of time for loading a page, but Next.js image component automatically optimizing this. And I show you that this is also, if I increase the size to 8, remember same I did increase the size to 8 here. Remember this means both size and width are equal for IMG on image component, but you will see that automatically the size will increase. You see, if you increase the size, automatically 392 KB size is there for image component of Next.js. Earlier it was 279 KB, remember, but this time it is 392 KB, means I increase little bit of width and it's also increased the size. So as per my width and height, optimizing image is optimizing automatically by image component of Next.js. But if I reduce or increase the size of IMG tag, the size of the image is 1.1 MB. You see that if I decrease the size, I say it is 200 width and 300 of height, so it's less as compared to that. And I refresh it once again, you see it taking the image from the cache, this, but it is not creating cache for IMG tag. Remember that, because Next.js make caching only for their own component, not for the HTML component. You see it taking the same amount of space, 1.1 MB, and here it taking from the cache. So I'm removing it from the cache, and then I refresh it, I remove it, and I refresh once again. You see once again the difference between image and img tag. The Next.js image component taking 392 KB of space. I'm increasing the size, but still the size is more optimized. But you see, after reducing a size of img tag of HTML, still it taking 1.1 MB of size. Means there is no optimization of size or performance by img tag, but image component of Next.js is more optimized and more accurately predicting the size of image and automatically reducing a size. Remember this. I think it's better to understand by this example which one is more optimized, and the result is image tag of Next.js is more optimized and more accurately showing image on the screen, but img tag after reducing a size of image is still having a same size, no optimization, no performance improvement is there. So I think for Next.js it is better to use image component as compared to img tag of HTML. That's all in this video. If you like this video, if you learned something new from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.